Hi, and welcome to Help Please Tutorials. Today, we're going to see how to send money to BanCoppel from the USA. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. First, choose a money transfer service that supports BanCoppel, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, Remitly, or RIA. Next, download the app or visit the website of the money transfer service. Create an account and log in. After that, select Mexico as the destination country. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Now add the recipient's information, including their full name and BanCoppel account number or CLEBE. Choose how you want to pay, such as bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or cash at an agent location. Review the transfer details and confirm the payment. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.